Good morning everyone. I am Pragyanil Chabe from grade 6. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. The day is Tuesday. The date is 18th March 2025. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Anushri Pramod Patil, studying in Standard 6. Today, I am going to tell you thought for the day. Thought is self-defense is a lifestyle. Always prepare, always protected. I will repeat my thought. Self-defense is a lifestyle. Always prepare, always protected. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody present over here. My name is Sheikh Azwe from grade 6.
I am Dhawal from grade 6. My name is Varat Khot from grade 6.
This is Mohit from grade 6th.
Today we are here to tell you Today we are here to tell you importance of the day. Today we are observing Ordnance Factories Day.
Ordnance Factories Day is celebrated on March 18 every year. It marks the establishment of the first ordnance factory in 1801 in Kospor in Kolkata.
This day is dedicated to honoring the contribution of India, honoring in supporting the country defense.
Let's discuss the role of ordnance factories in India. Ordnance factories in India manufactures weapons, defense equipments, and ammunitions.
They provide essential items like guns, bombs, missiles, and ammunition, and other military hardware. Factories play a key role that India is self-reliant in defense.
Now I will talk about history and ordnance factories in India. It was established by British East India Company.
Over time, India has established 41 ordnance factories spread across the country.
Now, now I will share some factors of importance of ordnance factories in India, like self-reliance, national security, and technology. We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize on national pride and self-reliance, innovation and technology, hard work and dedication.
On Ordnance Factories Day, let's honor the dedication, hard work, and who
Those who
strengthen
strengthen India's defense. Thank you.